Hello friends, this is Sushant from Aerowire Networks. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. So today we are going to discuss about the prerequisites that is required to add ClearPass to the domain. So the first thing that comes to your mind is why would we require to add ClearPass to the domain? When a client that authenticates against the ClearPass does MS-Champ authentication, the ClearPass performs a NTLM hash authentication against the ClearPass for these credentials. And in order to do this, ClearPass needs to be added as a computer account in the AD. So primarily today we'll discuss about what are the ports that needs to be allowed between ClearPass and Active Directory. First of all, we need to add DNS so that the named resolution of the Active Directory happens. Next, port number 88 for Kerberos authentication. Next, we would require to allow UDP and TCP port number 135 for the ClearPass to talk to the domain controller. UDP port number 389 for LDAP operations, that is to get a LDAP query. And remember that 389 is a non-secure port for LDAP lookups, whereas 636 would be the port that would be used for secure or LDAP over SSL search. TCP port number 464, it could be TCP or UDP for Kerberos password change notifications. Whenever you have a global catalog for the communication between the client and the domain controller, you'd require to allow TCP port number 3268 and 3269. You'd also require to allow ICMP, that is TCP port number 8, to check whether the domain controller is alive or not. So for joining the ClearPass to the domain, we need to have the following things on hand. First thing, we would require the Active Directory credentials that would have at least access to create or modify a computer account. The clock skew, that is the difference in the clock between the ClearPass and the Active Directory, shouldn't be greater than 5 minutes. We should make sure that there is no computer account in the AD that resembles or is as same as the ClearPass host name. Finally, we need to know the proper FQDN of the Active Directory so that resolves to the exact Active Directory that we are trying to join to the ClearPass. Thank you. Hope this video was helpful.